Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and unlocking developer options. Make sure the OnePlus Nord 2 has over 20% battery and your PIN ready. Open Settings, go to About Phone, then tap Build number 7 times. You'll see a confirmation that you are now a developer. Once done, make sure to exit back to the main settings screen. Developer Options is now available under System or Utilities. This step exists so you can access advanced toggles that are hidden by default for safety. Next, navigate to Settings, then System, and open Developer Options. Scroll to find USB debugging. You should toggle USB debugging on and then confirm the security dialog. This allows the Android debug bridge to communicate with your device. Make sure to also check default USB configuration and set it to file transfer to ensure the PC sees the device properly. Once enabled, you'll be prompted later to authorize computers. Enabling debugging now is safe when you trust the connected machine. Finally, connect the OnePlus Nord 2 to your computer using a quality USB cable and select file transfer on the phone when prompted. When the RSA key authorization dialog appears, review it and tap Always Allow for this computer, then OK. This authorizes ADB commands. To verify, run a DB devices on your PC and confirm your device is listed. If you don't see the prompt or device, try another cable, enable file transfer, install drivers, or toggle USB debugging off and on. This troubleshooting tip fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.